Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching how to place text behind any object in Photoshop. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. So, let's start. First, open your image into Photoshop. Now, click here to unlock the layer. Select the Quick Selection tool, and then click on the Select Subject button. Once the subject is selected, then right-click and select the Layer via Copy option. Now, select the Text tool. Create a text box as big as you desire. Type your text here and adjust the text box size. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the text size. Now, drag the text layer in middle. Right-click on the text layer and click on Duplicate Layer. Now adjust the placement of copied layer and edit it. After the adjustment of text, now add a brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Adjust the brightness and contrast of the image to make it look more dramatic. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.